All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm here at the Montreal Auto Show, and we're taking a look at the new 2025 Dodge Charger. So the big thing around the Dodge Charger is that it is now fully electric. You can see that this is the Daytona spec, so it looks really cool here in this orange. I think it looks very, very nice. You can see, check out the spec sheet, $52,000 for that's the base price, but the actual one is going to be 103 grand. But let's take a little look around it here. From the back, it looks really, really cool as well. I can't wait to get my hands on this thing. Can't wait to get behind the wheel of it. But for now, we're just going to kind of give you a little quick tour. Check out, you got like this really nice badge right here as well. Look at the brakes on it as well. So since there's no exhaust out here in the back, it actually just plays, exhaust sounds through. And I think we can see them right here, the speakers, which I think is really, really cool. Something that's going to be interesting to hear in real life. We're not going to hear it today at the auto show, but still very nice. Let's take a really quick look at the interior. This looks absolutely phenomenal. I mean, let's actually hop in here because I can do that here at the Montreal Auto Show. Very nice. So super cool stuff, super cool layout right here. You got your start button right here. It's an interesting shifter as well, but honestly, this is cool, and I can't wait to see how it drives, how it handles, how it performs, and everything else in between. I just think that Dodge might be onto something. Look, we have to give it its chances. I haven't driven it, so I can't tell you for sure. Got a little bit of storage. You do actually have some back seats that actually don't look terrible to be in, which is surprising. Looks like we may have a heads-up display as well. So everything in here is really, so far, good looking. I mean, I can't really see the infotainment display or anything like that because the car is completely off. Don't have keys or anything, but still, quick little overview of the 2024 Dodge Charger. Make sure you like and subscribe. I got more auto show coming. Let's do it.